Okay, so finding suppliers for a dropshipping store can be a nightmare. And honestly, I've been there. And in this video, I'm going to show you my way of finding best suppliers for dropshipping and proven framework, okay? So what I'm using here is I'm using Sell the Trend platform. And this platform not only gives me the suppliers, but it also gives me the winning products that I need. So if you want to learn how to find winning products, that is going to be in another video. For this video, we're going to be focusing on finding best suppliers. So what I do is I go to Nexus AI products. And by the way, you can find this link in the description for those of you who want to try it out. I go to Nexus AI products and I go here and I go to filters. And obviously, depending on the product, right, I can go here and I can go reverse search. So this is not finding the best suppliers for the product that I already have. This is actually finding best suppliers for the product that I might want to sell. So for example, if I go here and if I type, for example, I don't know, air, whatever, you know, keyword I want, I can go here, for example, to this product and I can see obviously the orders, I can see the selling price, stuff like that, but I can scroll down and I can see the suppliers for this particular product. Now, obviously, we'll need to wait a little bit here, but I will get basically the suppliers, as you can see right here, and I would get also the 4.8 stars here. I can see this one immediately catches my attention, so I go to this shop and this supplier, and this is all on AliExpress. So usually this is going to be for Shopify dropshippers. If you're dropshipping on Shopify, this is really cool because you can go in here and you can see exactly the best possible suppliers for that particular product, okay? You can also find more suppliers by going here and analyzing source products. So with AI, you can find the suppliers as well. Now, not only that, you can find suppliers with the cost, shipping, delivery date, orders, and rating, and everything will be done by an AI supplier finder. So obviously we need to wait here a little bit, you know, until we get all this data, because this is enough data for us to actually go and decide which supplier we want to contact. Now, as you can see, we got pretty much the data that we want. So the cost, the rating, the orders, and delivery date in days, as you can see. So obviously we can go here and we can add this immediately to our store. This is really cool because we're not only finding the suppliers for dropshipping, we're also adding them right into the store. So our supplier is connected directly with our Shopify store. So that's really cool. Now, what we can also do is obviously, you know, adding this to the store, but we can go and we can select my store here or create ad store, and you can add your own store. So you can add Shopify store, WooCommerce, eBay, and you can directly connect your store with your supplier, okay? So in this case, suppliers are really key. So what Sell the Trend also gives us is it gives us a way to manage all the products in one place, okay? So you can also do that by going here and then store manager. And then in here, as you can see, we'll have all products ready to order, in progress, fulfilled, and canceled. And everything will be right here. You can also see the syncing order status once you add from your supplier the product here, and you can reconnect your AliExpress account or supplier account. By the way, if you want to connect your supplier account, you can also click here. And you can, as you can see, you can go here and connect your supplier account, which is the account that you're going to be, you know, importing products in. Staff accounts, you can obviously have staff accounts. Now, what I also like here is I have marketing tools, so I can go to marketing tools and do the marketing part of it as well. But yeah, I just wanted to show you the finding best suppliers part. So that's something that I showed you in this video. Now, if you want to see more videos just like this one, make sure to check out our playlist Dropshipping. It's called Dropshipping on our channel. And yeah, that will be able to help you exactly to find pretty much winning products, product research, and all the other good stuff. So hopefully you guys enjoyed the video, and we'll see you in the next one.